Target, and we're shopping.
There's One Direction.
Yeah, let's go to One Direction.
Like, right
They
here.
look creepy. Louis. This one looks funny.
Yeah.
It looks funny. It doesn't look like themselves.
Yeah.
The dolls don't look like themselves.
Oh yeah, she's my cousin.
Hi.
Yeah. Her channel is Swimmer Alexa 11. Swimmer Alexa 11.
Niall, Irish horn. Okay.
What?
I want this. Whoa. This is kind of awkward. It's pink hair. The dude with pink hair. It's strange. See?
This one's
Weird. Okay, let's go. It's a puppy.
I want this so bad.
It's so soft.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn off the video.
Okay.